Hello, class 4th. A very good morning to all of you. I hope all my kids are doing fine and healthy at their home or at their place. So, class 4th, as you all know that we are doing the revision session, and in our today's session, we are going to revise the fifth chapter of our EVS, which is Anita and the Honeybees. We will be studying and revising the fifth chapter, and in this chapter we have learned about honeybees, the different types of the honeybees. Furthermore, class, we have also learned about Anita's, her strong willpower, her strong determination had made her achieve so much. So we will be revising this chapter. So everybody, let's begin with the session. Answer the following questions. Class, you have to answer the questions that is given. Number 1 is our fill in the blanks. The blanks are given and we have to fill it. Dash, dash and dash. Live and work like honeybees. We know that in honeybees we have a queen bee as well as the worker bees. But apart from the honeybees, there are also certain other insects that just live and work like honeybees, and the answer is that ants, termites and wasps. So we have seen ants and we have seen that ants work in a group, in a proper coordinated group. Similarly, you can see with termites as well as with the wasps. Next one is Anita goes to the college by a. So we have learned that Anita saved her money and she got the admission and paid her fees. So now she used to go to the college by her bicycle. So she used to go to the college with the help of her cycle. Next is true or false. So certain statements have been given. You have to write down true if the statement is true and false if the statement is false. First one, Anita studied only up to class 5th. So this is a false statement. We know that Anita did diploma also. She did graduation also. So class, this is a false statement. Next statement, Anita was popular among the children. She was teaching. This is a true statement. We know that the condition of Anita's family wasn't so good and they cannot afford her education. So, in order to get educated, she started teaching the children and thus became popular among the children. As she was teaching them, she was guiding them, she was helping them. So, this statement is a true statement. Okay, everyone? Next is, where did Anita live? What did Anita do when she was young? So now we have to discuss, where did Anita live? Where is the place that Anita lives? What did Anita do when she was a young girl? So you have to tell me what all activities she used to do when she was young. So class, Anita lives in Bocha village. So Anita lives in a village, that name is Bocha. And when she was young, she used to spend all her time grazing her goat for food. So when she was a young girl, she spent her time by grazing her goat for food. Next question, why did some insects go near the flowers? So now we have seen variety of insects and we have also seen that a variety of the insects go near to the different types of the flowers. So why, have you ever thought? Yes, the answer is that some insects like bees and butterfly go near the flower to collect the nectar. So class, every flower has a nectar and it is from the fragrance the insects get to know. Some insects like bee and butterfly, they go to the flower so that they can collect the nectar. In order to collect the nectar, insects like honeybees and bees go to the flower. Now, talking about the next question, what type of ants are there in the ants nest? Just like we have different types of honeybees, we have different types of the ants also. So now you have to tell me the different types of ants that are there in the nest. So class, there are three different types of ants in the ant's nest, which are queen ant, soldier ant, and worker ant. So we got to know that in an ant nest we have three different types of the ants, and they all perform a different functions, and they are: one is the queen ant, one is the soldier ant, and one is a worker ant. Next question: why did Anita start teaching young children of her village? So you have to tell me what made Anita to do so, why she did start teaching the younger children of her village. So answer is that Anita started teaching young children of the village because she wanted to continue her studies with the money she got. We have learned about the Anita's family, and we got to know that Anita's family is not rich, so they are not able to afford her education. In order to provide her education, she started teaching the younger children so that she can get the money, and with that money she will be able to pay the fees, and this is the reason she started teaching the younger children of her village. Next question: how do bees communicate with the other bees about the nectar? Now we have learned that insects smells the nectar and they go to the flower in order to get the nectar. Now, how do these bees talk with each other? How do they communicate with each other regarding the nectar? So, class, they do a special type of dance when they find flowers with nectar. They perform a special type of the dance when they find, oh, this flower is having a nectar. Okay, so everyone class, make sure to do this work in a notebook and submit the work on time. Read the chapter, revise the chapter. Thank you.